Among Africans, the concept of brotherhood has always resonated deeply, weaving threads of unity, empathy, and solidarity among the people. Across diverse cultures and landscapes, the continent's rich heritage offers timeless insights into fostering harmonious relationships and nurturing bonds of kinship. This is who we are as a people, even though we sometimes have challenges to live up to the true meaning of brotherhood as laid out in principles. Welcome to Learning from the Masters, where we explore both ancient and contemporary wisdom to improve ourselves. This is part of the 5-part book series, The Storytelling Mastery, which takes you by the hands about the ABC of storytelling. To learn more, visit AClasses.org and search for Learning from the Masters. Now, back to today's presentation. 1. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Application. This adage reminds us that true progress is not a solitary endeavor but a collective journey. By embracing collaboration and teamwork, we can achieve enduring success while fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose in our communities and relationships. 2. A single bracelet does not jingle. Application. Just as individual beads contribute to the melodious sound of a bracelet, each person brings unique strengths and perspectives to the collective harmony of brotherhood. Recognizing and valuing the diverse contributions of others enhances cohesion and amplifies the collective impact of our endeavors. 3. Unity is strength, division is weakness. Application. In a world often divided by differences, this proverb reminds us of the power that emerges from solidarity and collaboration. By standing united in the face of adversity and embracing our common humanity, we can overcome obstacles and build resilient communities founded on mutual respect and understanding. 4. When there is no enemy within, the enemies outside cannot hurt you. Application. True brotherhood begins with self-awareness and inner peace. By cultivating a sense of harmony within ourselves, addressing our fears, insecurities, and biases, we fortify our resilience against external conflicts and cultivate healthier, more authentic relationships with others. 5. Brothers do not mind each other's insults. Application. In the bonds of brotherhood, there exists a deep understanding and acceptance that transcends petty grievances and misunderstandings. By cultivating patience, empathy, and forgiveness, we can navigate conflicts with grace and preserve the integrity of our relationships. 6. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. If you want to walk far, walk together. Application. This proverb underscores the enduring truth that shared experiences and mutual support are the foundations of lasting companionship and collective achievement. By prioritizing collaboration and companionship over individual pursuits, we enrich our lives and contribute to the greater good. 7. When brothers fight to the death, a stranger inherits their father's estate. Application. Conflict among brothers not only fractures familial bonds, but also weakens the collective strength of the community. This proverb serves as a sobering reminder of the destructive consequences of division and underscores the importance of reconciliation and unity in preserving heritage and prosperity for future generations. 8. Two heads are better than one. Application. Collaboration and shared decision-making are essential ingredients for innovation and problem-solving. By pooling our knowledge, skills, and perspectives, we can devise more effective solutions to the challenges we face, while strengthening the bonds of brotherhood through mutual trust and respect. 9. He who learns, teaches. Application. In the spirit of brotherhood, the exchange of knowledge and wisdom is a reciprocal act of generosity and empowerment. By embracing a mindset of lifelong learning and sharing our insights with others, we enrich our communities and cultivate a culture of growth and mutual support. 10. The strength of a brotherhood may not be seen in the number of its members, but in the loyalty of its members. Application. True brotherhood is not measured by size or scale, but by the depth of loyalty and commitment among its members. By fostering trust, integrity, and mutual respect, we can nurture resilient bonds of kinship that withstand the tests of time and adversity. 11. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Application. This timeless wisdom underscores the enduring truth that collective progress is rooted in unity and collaboration. By prioritizing cooperation over competition and supporting one another's aspirations and endeavors, we can achieve shared goals and build a brighter future for all. 12. A brother is a friend given by nature. Application. In the intricate tapestry of human relationships, the bond of brotherhood is a precious gift bestowed by the forces of nature. By cherishing and nurturing these sacred connections, we honor the inherent value and beauty of each individual while weaving a richer, more compassionate world for generations to come. 13. The strength of the crocodile lies in the water. Application. Just as the crocodile's power is magnified in its natural habitat, the strength of brotherhood is amplified in environments where it is nurtured and supported. By cultivating spaces of trust, understanding, and solidarity, Africans can harness the collective power of their communities to overcome challenges and thrive together. 14. A close friend can become a close enemy. Application. This proverb serves as a cautionary reminder of the complexities inherent in human relationships and the importance of cultivating genuine trust and mutual respect. By maintaining open communication, setting boundaries, and resolving conflicts with empathy and understanding, Africans can preserve the integrity of their friendships and prevent misunderstandings from escalating into animosity. 15. A brother does not avenge. A brother reprimands. Application. True brotherhood is characterized by a commitment to support and uplift one another, even in moments of conflict or disagreement. Rather than seeking revenge or harboring resentment, Africans can strive to approach conflicts with a spirit of compassion and reconciliation, recognizing that constructive criticism and dialogue are essential for personal and collective growth. 16. Unity and diversity. Application. Embracing the rich fabrics of Africa's diverse cultures, languages, and traditions is essential for fostering a sense of belonging and inclusivity among its people. By celebrating differences and finding strength in diversity, Africans can create more vibrant and resilient communities where every individual is valued and respected for their unique contributions. 17. The hand washes the hand. Application. This proverb encapsulates the essence of reciprocal kindness and mutual support inherent in true brotherhood. By extending a helping hand to those in need and graciously accepting assistance when offered, Africans can cultivate a culture of generosity, empathy, and interconnectedness that enriches the fabric of their communities and strengthens the bonds of kinship. In the echoes of these ancient African sayings, we find timeless wisdom that transcends the boundaries of time and geography. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, may we draw inspiration from these profound insights to cultivate deeper connections, foster mutual understanding, and build a more inclusive and compassionate world for all.